how to find your Windows 10 product key. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Windows 10 product key. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, go to the Windows search bar and there you simply have to type registry editor. So simply type registry editor and simply open it. And now here, once you have opened the registry editor, you simply have to look at the left hand side and there you simply have to click on H key local machine. And now here, under the H key local machine, you simply have to click on software. And now here, under software, you simply have to find Microsoft and you simply have to click on it. And now here, under the Microsoft, you simply have to scroll down and find Windows NT. And now here, once you have found the Windows NT, then you simply have to click on it. And now here, under the Windows NT, you simply have to click on current version. And now here, under the current version, you simply have to find the option that says Software Protection Platform. And now here, once you have found the Software Protection Platform, then you simply have to click on it. And now here, on the right panel, you simply have to look for the field called Backup Product Key Default. Here you simply have to find backup product key default, and this is your Windows 10 key product. And that's it. That's how you can find your Windows 10 product key. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.